Do you shop on Shein? If someone told you that you can earn while you shop on Shein, would you stop and listen, or would you continue to scroll? I've realized that a lot of individuals sold out fashion over and gone on Shein. Shein has been a hotspot for shopping lately, especially for the ladies, where you can get some of the best clothing online for a reasonable price. Which makes me wonder why some individuals waste money on overpriced tags which they can't afford in the first place. And we all know some of these overpriced tags can give you a ton load of clothes that you can get on Shein, right? But not only can you get reasonable clothing on Shein, Shein will also pay you for shopping with them. What do I mean by this? What is the hell am I talking about? Well, stick around, let's find out. Whenever you go shopping on Shein, you go hunting for some coupon codes, or maybe they sent you some coupon codes in your email, 10% discount, 15% discount. That's the trick right there. That is the same thing that you're going to use to get those discounts for yourself. So instead of somebody else getting those discounts when you apply it, when you're checking out, would you rather be getting that 10% in your pocket, or you rather be giving somebody else that 10%? What Shein has done is that they have partnered with 5 other companies where you can go and become an affiliate for Shein. That's basically what it is. The companies are CJ Affiliate, Share a Sale, Pepper Jam, AdWin, and Ametad. Now if you Google Shein affiliate marketing right now, you'll see those companies come up, or it will take you to the Shein's website, and then when you scroll to the bottom, you'll see all of that information. So all you need to do from your end is become an affiliate with one of these companies, get your own coupon code from these companies, and whenever you are shopping on Shein, you provide that code. And guess what? Who will get paid? You. That money will be going right to your bank account. You can get paid through PayPal or through an American bank account, which you can get using TransferWise or Payoneer. And then you transfer that money to your bank account. It's literally that simple. During the sign up process for these affiliate companies, they may ask you for a website, and majority of you don't have a website, but guess what you have? You have a social media URL that can be used as the website. So Instagram / your username, Twitter / your username, TikTok / your username. You can use that as your website and fill that little required field. Some of them you may get approved, some of them you may not. So this is why you literally have like 5 options to choose from, and the odds are you getting denied on all 5 platforms is really extremely low. And if you buy from Shein to sell back, this will really benefit you a lot, because imagine spending $1,000 and getting 10% discount the clothes that you're going to sell, and you get that cash in your pocket back. Now you can use that $100, well, it's like cash back, and then you can use that to purchase more clothes, and then you get 10% on that again. That can purchase something else, and then the cycle continues. You may have a cart of $100, and when you apply that coupon for 10%, you're saving $10, right? But you're gonna say it's not a lot, but why are you applying the coupon in the first place? So sign up for one of the affiliate programs, get the coupon code, and make that cash go right back in your pocket. And if you want to push it further and then you start promoting it, then there's no shortage of way you can promote these things. You see it on TikTok every day. And one of the recent ways I saw individuals doing it is through Telegram groups. Someone was like saying, hey, I saw this, I've got this from this Telegram group, and when I checked the Telegram group, all they're doing was affiliate marketing, but the average user don't know this. But you, because you're watching this video, you know this and know what to do. So you can now take this as an opportunity and go out and make some passive income. So when you're on the internet scrolling, make sure you're seeking out those opportunities. Like, have you ever watched some YouTube videos and at the end of the videos you're like clueless and still don't know what to do? Well, I don't want this video to be like that, so I'm just going to head over to my laptop now and give you a brief overview of what you need to do to get started. Very simple process, guys. You can just head over to Google and search Shein Affiliate Program. And I'll also leave the link in the description below. Select the first link that pops up, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. These were the 5 affiliate companies which I was referring to. All you have to do is select one of them and just sign up for it. Process is really simple. I've went ahead and signed up with Share a Sale in advance, so I'm just going to skip this and sign in here. So I'm going to log in. As you can see, it says join affiliate program. Give an example. Say, hey, you're going to market this through TikTok, you're going to market this through YouTube, and then join affiliate program. So check the terms of agreements and then select join affiliate program. This will still go through and then it will be pending an approval. Right? If it doesn't automatically take you to the Shopify affiliate program, what you can do when you log in is go to merchants, search for merchants, and then search for Shein in the search box. Then it will take you to this page and you will get an idea of how much you will get per sale. See, you will be getting 10%. So even though this starts at 10%, right, from time to time, they will send out offers and give you other additional promotional codes. And I can't speak for all the platforms because this is the only one I have completed the registration with. So maybe on another platform it's 15%, who knows. But it's all up to you to sign up, check them out, and then choose the best one which you are comfortable with. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, share it with one friend so they can benefit from the information as well. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.